A common integrated constraint definition and management environment for both schematic capture and PCB layout is essential to the success of the final board assembly. From even the simplest of designs to cutting-edge products, all require proper electrical constraints so that the realized product will work as expected when manufactured. Engineers need a capable constraints system that is also easy to use, flexible, and intuitive. PADS allows you to capture and define high-speed constraints with a powerful and easy-to-use constraint management system for the creation, review, and verification of PCB design constraints. With PADS Constraint Manager, you can define net classes for nets with high-speed requirements and constraints that are grouped together. Constraint Manager is organized in rows and tables like an Excel spreadsheet that is easy to manipulate to create min-max lengths, matched lengths, or differential pairs for critical parts of the design. Net class definitions include minimum and maximum lengths, minimum spacing between nets in the same class, minimum spacing to nets from other net classes, allowed trace width range to maintain characteristic impedance. Layer restrictions can be set up for net classes to identify layers where nets can and cannot be routed. VIA restrictions can be set up including the maximum VIA count per net and allowed VIA pad stacks. And custom topologies can be created for individual nets that specify propagation paths from net sources to loads and terminators. Matched length constraints allow you to set up length tolerances and min-max lengths for pin pairs and groups of nets. Quickly set up differential pairs and specify width and gap values that are layer dependent to maintain differential impedance throughout the entire propagation path. PADS Constraint Manager includes an interactive error report with sorting and filtering capabilities. Click on any violation in the error report to access the error description, the violated constraint definition, and the objects that created the violation. Constraint Manager will cross-probe between schematic and layout for easy evaluation and review. Actual routed values can also be dynamically compared to the required rule set. The PADS product creation platform delivers an intuitive and easy-to-use constraint management system that allows engineers to quickly define and assign rules for all designs, including those with high-speed signals with the same common environment and schematic or layout. That eliminates the manual and error-prone process of defining critical rules for each design, helping avoid costly delays and ensuring first-time success of completing designs that meet all specified design performance, quality, and functional requirements.